Situated on Lake Lugano and surrounded by the mountains of the Lugano Prealps, the city, with its population of over 60,000, is the largest with an Italian-speaking majority outside Italy. With its humid subtropical climate, characterized by hot and humid summers and mild to chilly winters, the city is a popular tourist destination. Our train will take us from Lugano through the Monteceneri Pass to the major junction town of Bellinzona. Here is the start of the long ramp that will take us up to the summit of the line. The gradient steepens considerably after Bodio and includes a number of spiral tunnels hewn out of solid rock, necessitated by the need to gain elevation within a short distance. The climb ends at Airolo, where we enter the 9.3-mile-long Gotthard railway tunnel. Emerging at Gerschenen, the line now begins an equally long steep descent, encountering more spiral tunnels until almost back down to level at the town of Erstfeld. We're on the 1319 Regional Express, which starts at Lugano. This 4-aspect L-type colour light indicates we're clear to proceed at 60 km/h for this section. Unlike in the UK, signalling is based largely around specific speed limits. We're already on a slight rising gradient. You can see how much by comparing it with the level engine siding to our left. Here we get a good visual idea of the gradient. As we fall, the road climbs, and this is where we're descending to, the Ticino River Plain. We pass the original Giornico station, once again positioned more for the operating convenience of the original Gotthard Railway than for the convenience of the township of Giornico. It's now known as Giornico Vecchio, meaning old, and is used as an engineer's store. Up above we can see 2 further levels of our railway as we encounter the first of 2 spiral tunnels inside the mountain in order to gain the necessary height. The gradient through the tunnels is 2.3%, 1 in 43.5. The Motorway Bridge is one of the tallest in Switzerland, being 335 feet or 102 meters above the bottom of the ravine. The main span is 525 feet or 160 meters long, an engineering masterpiece. We're now on the second tier and pass a line-side house, quite inaccessible by foot. It didn't even have a rudimentary footpath leading to it. Access was either by train or walking along the track. We're now leaving the Italian-speaking canton behind and approach the 15-kilometre-long Gotthard Tunnel. The line through the tunnel rises initially at 2%, or 1 in 50. Then roughly halfway through, falls at the same rate. Our journey through the tunnel will take approximately 10 minutes. The maximum permitted speed is 120 km/h, just under 75 miles an hour. A catastrophic lorry fire closed the tunnel for a number of weeks, during which time the car shuttle train resumed. The history of the mountain pass goes back to antiquity, though the route, peaking at 2,100 metres or 6,900 feet, was not generally used until the early 13th century, when a bridge was built across the turbulent River Reuss. Now the gradient is quite noticeably a falling one, starting at 2.6%, 1 in 38. Our train will now run non-stop to the terminus at Erstfeld, some 25 minutes distant.